for me, I just, this is my second, third class that I joined, and how Master Ruling teaches that, that um, the possibilities are there for us, but we just don't recognize them and do not, we don't believe that they're there for us. And joining this class, I can see myself in my business. I can see it successful. I can see that I have the tools, that I know what I'm gonna do step by step, and that the main thing is that it's gonna be aligned with my soul purpose. I mean, that's huge for me. And yes, I can tell the blockages breaking away with the blessings just from attending the class. I can just imagine if I receive one every month or every day of the year. I just want to say thank you. And you're appreciated. Keep at it.